so easy to drive. So well balanced. Imagine all the people living a life in peace. Well, at least, I mean, I'm not sure when that's gonna happen, but first and foremost, we're gonna actually experience a very capable, fast R35 GT-R on the ring. Thomas, what a fantastic job you've done with the car, and I'm sure everyone who's contributed with the build, because it's been hands down the best GT-R that I've driven on the ring.
Appreciate it.
But then again, this was probably like a development of what, 5-6 years?
Yes, I bought the car brand new at Nissan in 2019.
Wow.
And I just want to leave it stock, but this happened.
Just to show you what exactly has happened. Yeah, my cameras are still here, but yeah. And a lot of things are still happening, because a lot of mods are actually like brand new from what I can tell and see, including the engine that just came out last week.
Yes.
So came out and came back in, but not for the engine, but for the exhaust manifold that was cracked, you said. Yeah. And because of that, actually, the alignment needs to be... Oh!
Yeah.
Weight reduction.
We lost the indicator lights
yesterday.
yesterday.
Yeah, well, it happens. It happens. Yeah, so because the engine was out, the alignment is not 100%, so it's a bit understeery. I thought it was... Oh wow, is that a CS? No, still a nice color. Very nice. That's what I said on my lap, that the car was slightly understeery. It's of course also due to the weight and all-wheel drive, but yeah, if you can fix more with the alignment, that's gonna be a killer. Most importantly is, as I said, this is the best setup car, but that shows because you had the car for 6 years, 7 years on the ring, just non-stop driving, dialing in, and that's, yeah, eventually that shows. So what do we have here? I mean, aside from the obvious, so it's like what, HKS 700 kit or so?
No, it's near to stock. Its track map is 600 PS.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then that's it. Yeah. Yeah, because you don't need more in life in this particular case on track. You done anything with the weight? Because yeah, the front is, you have just the case, you actually added more to it.
Changed the seats, carbon fiber bonnet, a lot of carbon parts, but it's near the 2 tons.
Near 2 tons, wow. And it's a very, very capable 2 tons. So important shows. So first of all, as I said at the end of the lap, what I'm impressed by is that we had pretty much a full, well, fast lap. There was some traffic, there were 2 yellows, but overall it was quite a push lap. And at the end, the oil temperature was like around 110, water stable 90, gearbox 116 or so. Yeah. So I guess lots of cooling mods. Yeah. So everything, cooler, engine, DCT, all of that.
You can do.
Everything important. Can we see under the bonnet? Because maybe people are not gonna believe you that it's stock. While you do that, I'll show you also my favorite part. AP Racing Radical Big Brake Kit. That is absolutely phenomenal. It has Charoudin DS2500 pads that my audience will know that I usually absolutely hate on street cars, but here it performed great actually, because the calipers are so good. You actually enjoy the not capability of the pad because you have more modulation. Yeah. Because if you put endless on, the car just gonna be diving too much, and that is actually like, that's something that I said yesterday in one of the cars I drove. I don't remember which one it was. I said the car actually, the downside, the brakes are too good. So you want a bit more modulation, and it shows. So sometimes maybe like not so good pad is very good if the rest makes sense. So yeah, we have here of course some top secret stuff, but otherwise it
just
looks
visual.
Yeah, just visual. Yeah. So important question, what suspension is it aside from the obvious KW?
KW V4.
Okay, competition. Club Sport, yeah. So not competition. No. Nice. Very, very, very well set up. Like absolutely phenomenal. Like,
thank you.
Because the most thing is you want to be comfortable, you want to be not too stiff, so the car like really flies over the curbs, over the bumps, and it's extra challenging to set up a heavy car that's nearly 2 tons. And that's like, wow. I was like maybe can I do one more lap on Monday when there's less traffic?
Yes, if you want.
Yeah, we'll try to do that, because I don't ask for often, but this was just like so pleasant. It was so good.
Of course you can do.
Yeah. Maybe we'll do another lap. We'll try to do tomorrow. Let's see if we make it in our busy schedules. But Otherwise, give Thomas a follow. Also, you can ask him more about the mods and how to build the ultimate Nürburgring R35. What's the dash actually?
It's a 4-second racing club in Great Britain.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's all. You can order it there.
Nice.
We can program it at skills.
Yeah.
Yeah, with some mods.
It was super nice. I like the brake pedal position and all of that stuff. It's very nice. It just that's the KW adjusters. 2 nano crust. Very good. And when you look here, is that KMP steering wheel or the? Yeah. So we have KMP steering wheel with all the adjusters and then the dash itself. There's lots of light happening, so hopefully you'll see it. But my CPO filter is on, so it's you'll see it on the lap itself. It doesn't matter. No, fantastic. Thanks a lot once again, and hopefully see you tomorrow again for one more lap. And otherwise, I'm sure we'll see each other because you're here all the time. So when we'll do it again. Amazing. Loved it, loved it. Just one more time, one more thing. Oh, also on the back, big brake kit, that's also good. Yep. And the tire sizes, for people who are curious, we have CRSs with 305 on the rear and I guess front squared. Yeah, also 305 on the front. All right, enjoy the lap. Look at this, no struggling around with my own season ticket, because this one belongs to the owner of the car. Usually you're not allowed to give your ticket to someone else, but since I have one myself anyway, I don't think we're gonna get banned, because usually that's what happens, they block your ticket. Anyway, very excited to have a lap, give it a go, so off we go. Nice. The VR38 DTT, unmistakable sound, the VR6 or V6. Twin turbo. Oh, the blow off. I hope you can hear it on camera. So emotional. Need to remind ourselves of the weight. The Milka has seen us. So good. I really like it. Of course, this car has been really developed on the Nürburgring. I'm not speaking about Nissan in general, but this particular car has been living on the ring for as long as I've been here. I know this car, so it's very cool to have a go and see how it drives. And so far, the suspension setup is something that I notice immediately. It swallows all the bumps. Ooh, that's very ambitious with a Astra GSI. Very ambitious. Can we please pass? Oh, look at the Audi A8. Yes. I really like the brake bias. I mean the brake modulation, but also the suspension. That's so good. You can also see the brake pedal input on the custom dash. So that's some nice extra info for you guys. That aside, we have also DRAGY, so you can have the nice telemetry. Use code Misha on godragy.com for extra discount. I'm really enjoying this. It's so easy to drive. So well balanced. Now I'm just gonna be quiet and enjoy the lap and let you enjoy it with me, because there is not much I can talk to you to. If there is anything worth mentioning, I will, but I'm just gonna enjoy. Done the gearbox mapping, done a fantastic job, because I don't think it's stuck. The shifts are almost non-existent in the sense of there is no kick, it just continues. And as far as I remember, usually the R35s, there is a bit of drama, not too much, but this is so good. The clutch points are really nice. And that's what you want on the track. You do not want to unsettle the car while shifting. Oh no, yellow flag. But, wow, what a car. What a car. Fortunately, yellow flag. In case you're new to this channel, we're very good friends. That's why it's us being friends. Okay, I appreciate that. He indicated to show that he is going for the corner so that we are not going to pass. So that's nice. Where's the hazard lights here? Ah, here we go. Just want to say thank you. That's unfortunate, the yellow. I started to enjoy the car so much. And you know, it's so easy to drive. It's so well set up. It's so nice to drive a car on the Nürburgring that was built on the Nürburgring. So good, so good. And right now the best part about it is that it's a super hot day, 30 degrees. Just gonna take this camera off and show you, hello, and show you the engine temperature. So the oil temperature is 108 and the transmission is 118. The coolant is stable on 92, and it's amazing. And that's like the weakest point of a R35 usually, where you have the stock car cannot do a full lap of the ring. The transmission fluid goes like towards over 140. You need to do a full, like maybe even a gearbox swap, maybe not that drastically, but you need to do all the fluid flush because it's really bad for this particular transmission. So you cannot drive the car in stock form. You need to do lots of cooling modifications, and this car has them all, because I wouldn't know how we were able to push almost for a full lap. We had some yellows. Yeah, okay, bright side, but it's not really a hot section. We done all the uphill parts on a full send, pretty much. Had to slow down a bit for the E36, but fantastic build. What impressed me the most, really, is the suspension, because it's really not that easy to dial in suspension. But I haven't shot the intro yet. I've looked around the car, but I saw like some KW adjusters peeking out of the rear parcel shelf, yeah. And this tells us that it has something expensive from KW and very well set up. But wow, are there any downsides to this car? There is the weight, of course. You cannot fight that. That's of course an issue. And it could use a bit more of the frontal aero, I would say. Maybe something that we will make one day for R35. It's just not that very popular track car. It's mostly a GT car and drag racing car. Not many people track it. So I don't know how much like the development will be justified to do a splitter. I mean, like with everything, I would say, you know, if you own an R35 GT-R, you track it, you know there is no good splitter solution for an R35. And you would buy one for, like, usually our splitters go for around 5,000 euros. And if we can get like 10 of those, then I can push Lapo to say like, hey, do it, because then at least at that point we're like not losing money, more or less, at least not on material costs. But I'll pay Lapo in some protein shakes and white monsters. He loves a white monster. So all the jokes aside, oh, look at that Civic. K24 turbo. All the jokes aside, yeah, it's missing a bit of front aero. There is of course the way that you cannot fight, but otherwise, so easy car to drive, so well set up, so survivable, and it shows. And I'm super happy I could share it with you. It's kind of unfortunate that we had some yellow, we had some traffic. Maybe I'm gonna ask for a cheeky second lap on another day when there is nothing, because it's really, impressive. And now I'm gonna drive Ford Mondeo ST200.